To set up system navigation on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you'll have to scroll down and go for the home screen, and from there you'll have to scroll down again and you'll find the system navigation. So let's go in there, and from here you can choose the two types of system navigation, which is the buttons and gestures. So starting with the buttons, if you are having the buttons selected and you want to set them up, here you have this option to mirror buttons, which basically will swap these two buttons places. As I toggle it on and off, as you can see, it changes its places, so you can customize this one. Next we have the button shortcuts, and you can set up a couple of different shortcuts with these combinations. So like for example, if you press the power button and menu button at the same time, you can, like for example, turn on the flashlight, or let's for example launch the camera. And now the power button, this one, and the menu button is this one, I believe, and let's press them, and now as you can see the camera is launching. So you can also set up some interesting shortcuts, button shortcuts and gestures on with this type of system navigation. Let's go back, and the next thing you will have right here is to automatically disable navigation buttons here in a couple of different applications. So yeah, that's how to set up the buttons system navigation, and let's now go for the gestures. And if you are not familiar with the gestures, you can learn how to use them, and you can actually disable this option completely to not show anymore. And as you're having these gestures enabled, here you can hide full screen indicator and toggle the gesture confirmation, like when playing games or watching the videos. And here you can also find the gesture demos, and you can actually learn which gestures, like how to perform, how to execute these gestures, and what actions they perform, what actions they do. So yeah, that's basically it. And from here simply select any of these system navigation types that you want, and yeah, that's how you can do this.